Hey Photonauts, I know it's been quite a long time since my last video. I'm sorry for that. I'm currently on my way to Tokyo again. Also, that has been a long time already, more than 1.5 years, I think. And I just wanted to hit some points right here. 2018 has been a year of quite a bit of transformation for me, so it was an interesting year. Now in 2019, I wanted to do more video stuff, but I haven't managed yet because on 1st of January, I actually started a new job. So I've been pretty busy since then. And I've been trying to get by with some freelance photography work and courses and stuff like that. So I couldn't really clear my mind to do any videos since then. I'm sorry for that. Here after a trip of almost 19 hours, I think. We were completely destroyed yesterday and just slept for a few hours now. A lot of my gear bag has changed since the last time I've taken any videos. So I'm going to make a new what's in my bag video pretty soon because there's Leica gear in there now and Fuji gear. So I'm taking photos with both. I want to get rid of the notion that I'm just a Fuji guy, and the message of this channel should be passion for photography and not just a passion for Fuji gear, if you know what I mean. So there's going to be a new what's in my bag video pretty soon with everything that's changed, so you're going to see by yourself. I still wanted to thank you for all the support on my other videos and that I'm for some reason still gaining subscribers. So thank you for that. I'm happy you're still there. And if you like my photos, don't forget that you can buy prints on my website. Just let me know which one you like and I can send you prints. Also, if you want to help me out in any other way, there's the Patreon page where you can just support the Photonauts. The equipment I use you find on Kit, which I'm going to update soon as well. Links to everything are of course in the description, so my hair is a mess. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon because I'm not posting that regular. I'm still not super consistent with my uploads, but I'm trying my best. So, see you soon. Hope you like this video and the next ones. There's going to come some more stuff from Tokyo, so hope you like that. See you. Bye.